Hey everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are making Texas Gobbler Chili. It is inspired by Texas chili. It has no beans, but it has no beef. It's made with turkey and I've got my stuff all together. Have you got yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, so our bacon is ready to come out. I figured y'all didn't really want to see me cooking bacon, but I do need it. So this will work. This is for later on. We're going to garnish our chili with this yummy smoked bacon. Next, we're going to add our onions. And our garlic. And our jalapeno. We're going to just let this cook until the onions start to get a little bit on the translucent side. Takes about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Our onions are all ready, and we are going to cook our turkey right in with the onions and the peppers. And the reason we're doing that is because turkey by nature is just, it's just not got a lot of strong flavor, and cooking it with all these really great spices is gonna help the turkey to have a really great flavor. So we'll just cook this, and as it cooks up, we'll break it up, and I'm gonna add a little pepper, kosher salt, we're just gonna let this cook for a little while, and then we'll stir it up and break it up and keep moving. By allowing our turkey to cook without just, stirring, you get this really nice color on your meat. So now you can break it up, and your meat's got this nice color. And we do want to cook it until the pink is all gone. Okay, our turkey is pretty much cooked. We are going to cook it, for some more time, so don't worry, you aren't going to eat it raw. But you want to make sure that it's, pretty cooked up. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we have all of our spices. We are going to put our spices on our turkey. We're going to add all of those in, stir them. Oh my gosh, smell-o-vision. I mean it. Sometime we're going to have to invent that in my lifetime. That smells really good. Okay, now comes the fun part. We're going to add all of our liquids. We have our turkey, our chicken broth, And our tomatoes. And we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of this morning's coffee. We're going to stir this up. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to stir this up. We're going to bring it up to a good boil. Then we're going to turn it down to a simmer. And we're just going to let it simmer and thicken up for about 20 minutes. And then we'll be ready to give it a taste. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, our chili is done. It's nice and thick, beautiful color. Looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. And I will see you back here at the counter in just a few minutes. Okay, our chili is all ready. I am serving my chili with some chili pumpkin cornbread. The recipe is on my blog at www.thehappiestcookblog.com. Super delicious, super fast. So I have my cornbread and I have my chili, and it's dotted up with some of my bacon, a little bit of cilantro, a squeeze of lime. So let's see what we have here. This is the best part. So wow, that's really good. Okay, so today's lunch is going to be gobbler chili. So this was fun, super fast, super easy, delicious. You won't find anything like this anywhere else. Thank you for joining us here at The Happiest Cook. Thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate it. And please just hit that subscribe button. Super fast. And then you won't miss any of our new recipes. When they come out, you'll get notified. And it's free. So until next week, thank you again. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.
Good.